Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Khazak-Ya'oh, and here I am at Emma's Chicken, man. Where they at? How you doing? All right, man. Yeah, Emma's Chicken. Yo, and this is my man right here. That's the chicken man right here. Look at that. I need two. But I don't want them cut up. Just, yeah. I want them whole. Holder, no cut. Look at these chicken guys. Yeah. I'm going to my brother's house and we're gonna eat these chicken. I'm bringing chicken for him.
What is that?
Yeah. No
cut.
Actually, yeah, I just want to eat it like that, you know. Actually, yeah, you know what? Cut it down the middle.
Half cut.
Yeah, half cut, yeah. So yeah, man, what's your name?
Armando yun, sir.
Armando, this is my boy, man. Yo, you guys gotta come check this guy out, man. This guy, man, is amazing how he roasts these chickens and rotisserie them, man, on coal fire. You know, I tell you, man, these guys are amazing. Love these chicken. Love this chicken, man. One of my favorite chicken is Emma's Chicken. Love it. Love it. Woo! Wee! Woo! Now that I got the chicken, I'm gonna stop and get me some juice. And I think my brother's cooking rice. Oh, that's Caleb, by the way. Caleb, yeah, he's cooking rice. And I'm heading up to his house at his subdivision. I'm gonna hang out with him today, all right? So next stop, I'm gonna get some drinks. Don't know where I'm gonna get them, but see you there. So here we are. I'm actually at Pure Gold, and I want to get some fuel juice, you know, something big, you know, because with me, when I drink, I like to drink a lot, you know, I like a lot of juice. So I'm gonna head in there and grab something, 2 nice big juice for me and my brother, and we're just gonna eat and have a great time. See you next stop. All right, follow me in. Pure Gold. This is down by like McDonalds. Oh man, that's a lot of packing, guys. That's amazing. What's all this stuff here? Oh my, it's pork skin? Pork skin, right? Yeah. Ah, Filipinos like pork, man. Filipinos definitely like pork. Oh yeah. You guys looking like you're having fun doing this thing. All right. All right. Grab me a cart. Yeah. So yeah. Now what should I buy? Let me go over to the juice area. This is one of the supermarket that I like to come to. I like to come here too as well. And one of the reasons too is I like clean, man. I just like clean. You see how clean this place is? Clean and nice. Oh, just for the record, I am not doing any commercial. This is not a commercial. I'm not getting paid in any way for this. For you know, just speaking about places that I go and shop. It's just I want my viewers to know that, yo, this is where I go and shop. Now check this out. So, what to buy? Watch this. I like. Should pick up a chip. So I'll pick up a chip. And I'll pick up this big one here, original garlic. I like that. So I choose to get a mango and a pineapple. Actually, I get the fruit drink. I'm gonna get the fruit drink and a pineapple and a mango. I like mango for some reason. So I'm gonna grab this. Yeah, maybe I should get some ice too, but we'll see. All right, awesome. I'm heading out. I just got some juice. Jump back on my bike. Yeah, I just got some juice. I bought some ice cream, some triple chocolate. I like chocolate ice cream, if you don't know that by now. And I got juice, I got some ice, just in case my brother don't have any ice. And I'm gonna head up to his house, man. We're gonna have a great time, all right? See you guys again. All right, on the bike again, heading out. Hi. Wow. I just had to stop and show you this view that I'm looking at, man. This view is amazing. Check this. So there my brother at, man. Look at him, handsome as ever. That's my brother, man.
Yeah, I already know, man. Love that, man.
Yeah, man.
Love
That's
that,
the
man.
great Caleb, man. That's the man. This is the man right here. That's my brother. Love you, man.
Love you
All right.
too, my brother.
So, see you.
4 hours later.
Yes, I spent a beautiful day with my brother. I'm heading home now. We ate. We had a wonderful time. And then look who's at the door. All them beautiful children. Hi, how you guys doing? Hey guys, how y'all doing? Yeah. Now I want you to do me a favor. My channel is called Now Living in the Philippines. So after 2, I want you guys to say, Now Living in the Philippines. You ready? After 2. 1, 2. Now living in the Philippines. Yeah, man. Come on the road. Yes. That's my YouTube channel. All right. Yeah. So, yes. Subscribe.
What's the name?
Now living in the Philippines.
Subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe. That's right.
Yes.
Mr. Handsome.
Y'all need to subscribe to this guy.
That's right. You tell him. All right. So this was a very, very good day. My brother and I, we had a really wonderful time. Spent about 4, maybe 5 hours here. And we just had a great time. You know, sometimes you have to do that, guys. You know, let me take my glasses off so you can actually see my face here. So, sometimes you have to do that. Some of you got family members, they might be right around the corner, or they might take a little time for you to get to them. Don't neglect this, because you know what? Oftentimes, man, we neglect our families. We allow life to become so busy, and we're so busy every day getting out, grinding, paying bills, and doing that same thing over and over again. And you know, sometimes just take the time, kill your whole day and just go spend that time with your family, because you never know. Today you're here, tomorrow you're gone. So I just want to encourage you. If you have a family member or some friends that you haven't spoken to in a while, reach out to them, man. You know what I mean? Reach out to them. Drop a line. I don't care if they're the ones that did wrong against you, or they're the one who cross you. It's good for you to be the one to reach out, because you're the bigger person, you're the better person. So just go ahead, do that, and enjoy the moment. I get to enjoy this beautiful view. I just love it. Look at that. It's a beautiful view. And I get to enjoy my brother. And I just, man, you can't beat that. All right. Until next time, y'all. Made a quick stop at the McDonald's because we like the chicken. The chicken is really good here. So, how you doing, man? What's your name?
Fierce.
Fierce, man. All right, he the man. He the man. All right, Fierce. I want 8 pieces of chicken.
All right.
Yes, the 8 piece. That's it. No fries, no drinks, just 8 piece. Yeah. McDonald's.
For dining takeout.
Huh?
For dining takeout.
Oh, take off.
Oh, 630.
Oh, 600 pesos. Okay, let's give you this card here. See if I can actually do it with one hand. Yes, I can actually do it with one hand. There we go. Yeah, so I got chicken. This place is nice, man. Check out this place right here. It's nice. Yeah, I came here before. How you guys doing? All right, awesome. Yeah, this place is nice. This place is nice. All right, quick stop, and once I get, I'm out. I'm going home, and then we'll call it a day. All right, so I got the chicken, and now I'm heading home. This place is really nice, man. Light up really nice. McDonald's right there. It's really nice. It's really nice. Park my bike right here, load it up. See, got some more stuff at the supermarket, and I'm heading home. So thank you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, now is a great time. Just hit that notification button for great content. Don't forget to subscribe, because about 50% of my viewers forget to subscribe. So I want to remind you, hit that subscribe button. We want to take this to 5,000 subscribe. All right, subscribe, yes, 5,000 subs. and I need your help. So go ahead, hit that button now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Until next time, this is Maker Al. Love you guys. Peace.
Mm-hmm.